What's up, everybody? Welcome into the show. I'm gonna make this quick. You might hear some noise. The kids are playing next door. I think they're on the trampoline. Anyways, I think what has happened, or what I've been excited about, has finally happened. You can see a flower up here. Oh, by the way, this is my lemon tree. Looking pretty happy right now with the sun down. The leaves were kind of shriveled earlier. They're actually pretty expressive now. Anyways, this is Lana Lemon Meyer. Yeah, I named it. I name a lot of my plants. And I've had it for about 4 years. And when I first got this thing, it was just a little stick with a couple leaves on it. And honestly, I had no expectations. I didn't know what to expect because I hadn't had many fruit trees by then, like 4 years ago. That's around near the beginning of my gardening journey. It was like, I think I started in 2018. Anyways, I am still a novice. I'm always learning, trying to get better at this. But I'm no expert. But I'm proud that it's made it this long. 4 years is a long time for a fruit tree. It's my longest living fruit tree. I know it's not long in terms of biology. For me, 'cause I've killed a lot of trees. There's a lot I don't talk about because that makes me sad. And we move on, we do it again. But this is a pretty big deal. We got a good view of it there. And I was kind of tentative about making this earlier because I had some flowers on the tree, I think, last winter. And they just fell off. And like nothing really happened. I don't think they were getting enough sun. But now it's getting the full sun. There's another one right there. And I inspected it earlier. I only saw two. And that's like, it doesn't look like a flower because it hasn't opened up yet. But yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. Got my dinner in the microwave. So yeah, it's my little timer. I won't stay out here long rambling about this. But that's pretty damn exciting. And nice view of it at night. And this is the joys of night gardening, by the way. Obviously, as you can tell in the title. But pretty happy about this. Try to get a far shot of my beautiful tree and we'll wrap it up. They grow up so fast. And I got like this thing. It's just a little stick and now it's literally taller than me. And now the monumentous occasion, it might be finally taking place. I think this bad boy is flowering. So I don't know how long the process takes. I'll do my research. But I should be tasting a lemon from my tree here relatively soon. Ow. I stepped right on that. But something I've been waiting for a very long time. And man, I'm just proud of it. Probably said that a million times, but I guess it's the beginning. And once they get one flower, it's probably going to take off. And it'll be full of them one day. It's going to be nice to look at. And one day we'll have those beautiful fruits hanging down. And I'll get to harvest them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Besides making lemonade. I think I got lemonade. I want to make a jelly. But other than that, I haven't thought about it. Maybe lemon ice cream will be more of a sherbet. Or is that what it's called? Sherbet? It's made with water instead of milk. But anyways, guys, that's it. Love you. See you. God bless. Grow something. Because it feels really, really good when this finally happens. And it's in the next stage of its life. See ya.